Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Armin, and in this video I would like to show you how to model a forced convective heat transfer from a cylinder. First, I'm going to create a semi-cylinder and model forced convection heat transfer. Then I will model the same situation by coupling laminar flow and heat transfer physics. These are two models with similar geometry and material properties. As you see, the temperature of the two models is the same. I will start modeling with heat transfer in solid physics because it's more straightforward than coupling physics. The geometry is two-dimensional and I'm gonna select the heat transfer in solid physics. Also, study is stationary. I'm gonna change the unit from meter to centimeter. I want to create a 2 centimeter radius semi-cylinder. Material is aluminum, so I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna define an optional heat flux. In flux type, I'm gonna select convective heat flux. Then I'm gonna select external forced convection. I have a cylinder, so I'm gonna select cylinder in cross flow. In the heat flux, I'm gonna enter dimension and velocity of water. I'm gonna create a parameter for velocity. The surface of the cylinder is exposed to the moving water. Here you can see the mesh. I want to see temperature in terms of different water velocity. So I'm going to select parametric sweep. Now I can enter the optional velocities. Now you can see the temperature in respect to velocity. The heat flux values are arbitrary and the answers may not correspond to reality. The first part is over, and thank you for watching.